Defenders, nagawa pa rin ang paraan.
You know, sugatan na yan kanina yung kanyang thumb, may problema. Pero still, he was able to connect on that shot despite the defenses of San Coffee.
Lead is back to Meralco, 51-50. The elimination rounds, giant killers. Yan po ang kupunan ng Meralco, while San Mig is the second hottest team in the league right now with a 4-game winning streak. James missing that one. Mario will again attack. Masyadong pilit yun, pero ang bola babagsak pa kay John Wilson and Meralco Bolts will reset. Cliff, ganadong-ganado ito. Kaya si Marcus Blakely nakaharap sa kanya. Back to John Wilson with the crossover. The runner is not good, but there was contact and foul on Alex.
Ma-intensify yung kanilang defense. Simple philosophy. Brado?
Okay, maraming salamat, Riza. As John Wilson may nakaw pa dito. Earlier, he made one of 2 free throws. Para palaki na kalamangan nila to 2 points, 52-50. Dito nang bumagal na yung laruan natin. Talaga nagdadangkalan. Nagsusukatan na yung kabilang kupunan dito, partner.
Ang labanan ngayon ay really execution. Right there. Ngayon, panaka-nakalang yung mga ganyan, yung mga open shots sa ganyan. But dito mo naman, may bigla na lang tumatulon from the opposite side and getting that defensive rebound in Cliff Hodge.
Cliff Hodge out of nowhere for the tip in, and Mark Pinglis dito sa kanilang pagbagsak doon. Hawak-hawak na yung kanyang tuhod. Naku, this would be not the best of news para sa kupunan ng San Coffee. Well, tatawag muna po ng timeout si Coach Tim Cone and the rest of the San Coffee.
Art Araneta Coliseum, may bisita tayo ha. Eto mga big time dahil bisita ni Kumaring Ellen DeGeneres, si Aldrich at saka si James magpinsan.
Another walk, another dance with him.
Kanino mo dinidedicate yan?
Sa papa ko po.
Ayan, balik tayo sa mga papa, kay Rado at kay Eric.
Well, maraming salamat, Risa. Alam mo, kami ni Eric, mga YouTube sensation din kami. Pero sa label na scandal.
Nako, mahirap yan. Mabilis kumalat yan.
Actually, naimbita na tayo ni Ellen eh. Pero yung Ellen na yung nagpaparitoke. Hindi kay Ellen, hindi kay Ellen.
Yung mga Ellen yung nagpapalit sa atin.
Tamadala, John Wilson is actually...
Nag-iba talaga yung ganda ng depensa ng Meralco in the second period because pahirapan talaga. And right now, this is actually the true picture of what this game will be.
Alex Malyari again attacking, missing the layup. Makukuha naman ni Chris Ross. 4 on 3. Cliff Hodge! Uy! Ang taas ng kanyang talon, pero yung pagbagsak niyan, nakangiti. Yung mga tao nag-aalala na dahil ang taas ang kanyang dinala nito eh.
Nakangiti pa siya. Ganun katibay talaga si Cliff Hodge. Iyan sahig. Diba? For so many games, Cliff Hodge, lalo-lalo na ng mga previous conferences, gusto niya parati diving on the floor. But this guy is actually a tough competitor. Kita naman natin na he
At magpa-power nap, Rado?
Aba, kanya-kanyang ano yan eh.
Ritual. Uupo at matutulog.
Eh okay na yung gano'n na power nap. Dati na may import. Naglalakad, di natutulog. Nakita ko saan. Napauwi tuloy.
Mas matindi yun. Tulog na nakatayo.
Pero ang Meralco at ang kumpuna po ni Cliff Hodge dito. Nananalasa with a 4-point lead. This is so far your biggest in the game. Mario West, titikado sa loob. And he will travel again. Nasaraduhan na naman siya. By Coach Tim Cone is really in a quandary right now sapagkat yung talim nila sa scoring ng first quarter totally nawala na. Although hindi pa naman po nga malayo ito, but the momentum is definitely with the Meralco Bolts. As Mario West attack once again. Magpapasabit at magpapasabit itong si Mario West.
Sasayang yung effort ni Mark Pingris on defense.
Kapag batak ka, no, for a player like Mario West, ilang beses siyang final doon, but yun talaga ang laro niya. He would attack and attack. At kahit pa kubkubin siya doon, ay hindi niya inaatake. Hindi mo siya mapapasuko sa kanyang pag-atake.
Well, he's challenging the defenses of San Coffee. Just send me to the line because ang ganda naman ng kanyang free throw percentage.
Balukputo sa kalabangan, makakaagaw pa ito si Cliff Hodge. Kumakaripas. Ang pasa niya kay Mike Cortez. Mike Cortez na double teaman doon, pero ang last touch daw ay ang Meralco. So bola, pagkakataon muli po ng San Coffee. Tandaan po ninyo itong 52. Galing 34 yan ng first quarter sa pagtatapos po. Kaya hindi na po kasing kinis yung scoring. Kaya nga si Alain na maliksi, that could have been a great defensive job by John Wilson.
Alam mo, ang layo ng recovery ni John Wilson. He was actually, Maliksi was wide open. Pero malaking bagay naman to on the part of Alain Maliksi to be able to make free throws to get his confidence going on offense.
Sa ibang angulo naman natin na tingnan yun. Although, hindi natin masyadong nakita. Pero meron din isang controversial na 3-point shot doon sa same spot na yun.
Same spot.
Ayoko na, baka magka-protestahan pa tayo rito.
Hindi na ako nagsasalita dito.
Samantala, Meralco atake pa rin. At sino pa yan kundi si Cliff Hodge?
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-aararo dito ni Cliff Hodge kahit masakit ang kanyang kaliwang tuhod. Ngayon, laban pa rin siya.
Karakter din Cliff Hodge, ibang klase. Kahit sumatan, talagang patuloy pa rin sa kanyang aggressive plays dito sa ating laban. Lead is with them. Back to a 7-point lead for the Meralco Bolts. Step back para kay Mark Maroca Mintes, but nandun si Marcus Blakely, but away from play. There would be a foul on Alain Maliksi.
Maganda. Handado ni Cliff Hodge at sumama na lang siya dun sa kamay ni ni Maliksi.
Really selling that call, pero tinamaan din talaga siya sa mukha, pero hindi niya iniinda.
Wala, parang wala kay Cliff Hodge na sa bagay na mukha nga meron ko. Baka nahilo pa. Natamaan siya ng uppercut sa panga.
O yan, magseryoso tuloy. Ito si Cliff Hodge. At dalawa yung kanyang namites, pero sa tapikan, may foul na naman on Alain Maliksi. And you have to... Sa tiyempo, itong si Alain Maliksi. Matala Cliff Hodge.
Cliff Hodge.
Nagmiminti siya sa free throw. Sunod-sunod yun. Although he has 18 points right now.
But still, ang ganda ng kanyang nilalaro. Napagod na yata sa dami ng kanyang attempt. No? But still, he's still performing very well for Meralco.
Pero if we are going to live free, itong si Cliff Hodge sa kanyang mga mintis na free throw, may sinasabi siya. Mukhang magbabiyahe siya dahil sabi niya, pack daw Mag-iipake na raw siya. May sapol pa si Cliff Hodge. Harapan yun on PJ Simon.
The energy of Cliff Hodge in this ball game. Sana masustain na lang actually a perfect game for Cliff Hodge.
Marcus Blakely will get the inbound pass. 6 seconds ang lang shot clock. Nandun si Hugnatan. Will not really challenge dahil apat na yung kanyang personal foul dun
Actually, first 2 points ni Marcus Blakely.
Mario West nasa foul pero nakuha yung second serving. J.R. Reyes will complete.
Well, nawala doon si Mark Pingris, nawalan doon ng extra rebounder ang San Miguel Coffee, kaya naman itong si J.R. Reyes ay nakakuha ng offensive rebound and a putback.
Biggest lead in the ball game para sa Meralco Bolts at 9 points, 66-57. DJ, kakambyo, titigil, bibigay kay Joe Devance. 6 seconds naman sa kanilang shot clock. PJ will deliver.
This is someone that they really need to explode. PJ Simon, so far they don't have the other guy coming off the bench scoring in Alain Maliksi. Wala si Maliksi ngayon. He couldn't really score. Now they need PJ Simon to explode.
In that position, si James Sharp hindi rin masyadong nag-click although he had some points in the first quarter. And Alain Maliksi, so si PJ Simon na nagdi-deliver para sa mga wingmen ni Coach Tim Cohn. Mario West, kapos yung kanyang jumper. Pero stopping ka makukuha pa ni Joe Devance. 3 minutes and 34 in the third quarter. As Marcus Blakely will challenge Reynal. He knows that Reynal is in foul trouble. Makukuha pa yung basket. And the 5th personal foul on Reynal Hugnatan.
Ang malas naman ni Hugnatan, kakabalik lang niya at nag-commit pa siya ng 5th person. Be the turning point na hinahanap na talaga ng San Miguel Coffee. And alalahanin natin Rato in their previous game against was that Barako, di ba? Yung close game with Barako. They were down for a while in that ball game until na nakahabol sila towards the end game.
Yun ang problema mo pag foul trouble ka na sobrang aga Ito, igagambol ka ni Coach Ryan, makukuha mo yung pang-limang personal mo. Of course, I'm talking about Reynal Hugnatan, but Mac Cardona na-score yung kanyang 2 puntos. Ilang mga minuto rin ang nalalaro nitong si Mac Cardona, but he's been scoring very well or been contributing para sa Meralco, now up by 7. Rafi Rivas will challenge. Second service for him is also a miss. Makukuha pa rito si Mac Cardona to Mario West. Mario West with a sidestepping move was stopped but fouled by Mark Barol ay 60.
6 plays.
Oo.
Depende pa rin sa mangyayari in the next couple of days.
Samantala, atake itong si Marcus Blakely. Really that good. Kwento ang hari.
Hindi ka ba lumabas nung college ka, hindi ka ba lumabas sa mga theater plays?
Nung bata ako actually, ay nakunan ako ng pelikula. Pero ang papel ko, ganun din, taong bayan. Tsaka ako kaya biktima. Nung college, ako, nag-theater ako.
Ayun naman pala
Artistahin tayo eh.
Jose Rizal.
Hindi. English speaking hirap na hirap ako eh. Samantala, ito, atake po ang kupunan ng Meralco. Uy, si JRS nasugutan, makukuha muli ng Sunmig. Atake na sila. Down by only 6. Makikita si PJ, si Sigsag, titigil, jumper, pasok.
Kung kailangan nila talaga mag-init, so far PJ.
A minute and 35 in the third. Macmac Cardona, mintis yung kanyang malapitang tira. Makukuha naman ito si Marcus Blakely. Siya na rin ang magdi-dribble, pero masyadong dribble yan. Nasundutan mula sa likod, makukuha nito si Cliff Hodge. 4-point lead for Meralco. This quarter actually belongs to them so far. JR is free for that nice pass na galing dito kay Mike Cortez.
Nagka-ball
Quarter. DJ Simon asking for isolation against Macmac Cardona. 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Ang atake. Titigil. Ang jumper niya. Uy, malakas na time up. Magpapahingayin din itong si Marcus Blakely. Baroka, pasa sa loob. Ganda ng pasa dito kay Robbie Rivers. But he will miss. Sayang yung napakagandang no-look pass nitong si Johnny Vance. Sigawan, yung mga fans dito, hinayan na hinayan.
Ang sikip ng area, pero that nice bounce pass underneath was actually very effective. Hindi lang talaga makomplete yung tira.
2-second differential sa ating shot clock. Game clock. Cliff Hodge, tres ang papakawalan. Ayaw pa rin, makukuha ni PJ Simon with only a second remaining. Johnny Vance with a midcourt heave. Mintis yung kanyang tira at natapos ang ating pangatlong yung Tom Meralco na po ang nasa itaas with a 6-point lead, actually posted as high as a 9-point lead in this quarter. 70-64 ang ating tala sa pagbabalik.